Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara, and today I'm about to tackle something that I have been really dreading doing, but it is coming upon spring and it's time to do some spring cleaning. I am currently in my bedroom and this closet is about to get a makeover.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay, so this is my bedroom, and because I have too many clothes to fit in this closet, I have a whole separate bedroom that I've converted to a closet. If you want to see that, I'll link in the card somewhere the tour of my actual walk-in closet. But I use this closet as a linen closet for all my, sheets and blankets and duvet covers and all that stuff. But it is a complete mess. And I mean, yeah, I do kind of rotate the same kind of duvet covers and quilts and things on rotation. I have a few that I have on rotation. I do like to store some backups and pillowcases and all that stuff in here. There's also a lot of junk that I've put in here just to get it out of the way to store it. And again, for those of you who are new here, and I'd like to welcome you all here. I have a lot of new subscribers, but I digress. For those of you who are new here, I did not have a garage up until November of 2022. So now that I have a garage, I can move all the stuff that I'm storing in all these little pockets of my house and put them in the garage loft. I have an actual loft above the garage itself, so I can store the things that I want to keep there and then purge all the things that I don't want or need. So let me show you what we're working with. It's not horrible, but it's definitely not great. These bifold doors we've had forever, but behold the storage that is very unorganized and very chaotic. So the first thing I need to do for this closet is to remove everything out of it and figure out what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. So let's do that right now. All right, let's give you a quick tour of the actual junk and stuff that is in here. So at the bottom here, I have books. Now some of these books are like books that I have actually used, but there's also some books that were given to me that I don't use. But obviously most of these books are like my books from school, biochemistry and physiology and anatomy and all that stuff. My step 1, step 2, step 3 books for my medical tests and things like that. So obviously I'm not going to be using these things ever again. And they're just taking up space. So I can donate these to a library or, somebody who wants to study medicine. If they want them, they can have them. But they got to get out of here. Okay. So that's the first level. The second level. So this level has not only blankets and pillows, old pillowcases. There's like a fan, a couple broken fans in here. There's a suitcase. I don't even know what's in that suitcase, but there's an old lamp back there. So that is this level. As you can see, this little thing is not holding up very well, but I think we could fix that. Now this level, this is where the hanging bar is, and this is where I used to actually hang clothes. As this was like my backup closet to my walk-in closet. But since I've purged a lot of things from my walk-in closet, I don't need this as an actual closet. So we're going to take this hanging bar out of here and add some shelving, a couple of new shelves, so we have some ways to stack everything and organize. Up here, more blankets and, you know, comforters and who God knows what else is up here. I think there's like there's a couch cover, a slip cover, and then this I want to move into my closet, or I might just leave it here. These are my dolls. I am a doll collector, if you do not know. There is one of my favorite dolls from Disney, Merida. I collect all the Disney princesses, and I have a few specialty dolls that I've collected as well. And I keep them in here. And along with some, you know, obviously this is from my MacBook Air. Just a lot of old boxes that I don't really need to store in here. So that all can come out. And so what I'm thinking of doing is on the top shelf, keep all of my collectibles. So I have some more collectibles in my walk-in closet. So I can keep these dolls up here, store them and everything fine. But then add the 2 shelves for the blankets and pillows and all that accoutrement. And then remove all the books from the bottom and just leave that kind of blank for extra storage if I need it. So that is the plan. All right, so I had another box of books that are not school books, not study books. So I'm gonna go through this box. There are a few that I definitely want to keep. So I'm gonna go through this and then donate the rest. And so here's another box of books from when I was in medical school and grad school and undergrad. Just all the academic books that are going to be donated. And so let me show you what the closet is looking like now. So let's see, open that up. This is what we're looking like now. So pretty much all clean. I'm just gonna sweep out the cobwebs. I had some dead hornets in here because I had a hornet infestation that was in the floor somehow. I don't know how I got in underneath the floorboards. So I have a lot of dead hornets that are in here. So let me clean that out. Get rid of this hanging bar. And then I'm going to move this shelf up here. So I removed that shelf at the bottom. I'm gonna I'm gonna place it here, just a little higher up. Well, a lot higher up actually, here. So, but before I do that, I'm going to fill in the holes from the anchors that I pulled out that held the shelf. And then some other holes in the wall. And then I'll paint this, freshly paint it. And then I'll hang the shelf. So I'll be back when it's time to hang the shelf. All right, so I am done prepping, painting everything in here. So I'm gonna add this shelf up a little higher than where it was before, and then I'll add another one that's similar to this just right below it. I have these little brackets that I'm gonna put on the wall. I did put the braces already on the back of the wall. So once I put these little brackets on, then I'll be able to hang the shelf. So let's do that. So I was able to get the lower shelf down. I had to do kind of an upstand here just because it was a little shorter than the other one. And it's actually a different one altogether. I got this out of my other closet, my walk-in closet that I wasn't using. So yeah, I thought I would repurpose it. And I think we're now at a part where everything is prepped, clean. I mean, I do have paint splatters on the floor, but that's okay. But yeah, it's all ready for the organization system that I'm going to be putting in. That will be in the next video. I'm sorry to love you and leave you, but this took so long that I ran out of time to finish the whole job during this video. So next week will be the sorting and organizing and finding storage solutions. I have these little cubes that I bought a long time ago. They're no longer serving a great purpose, so we're trying to find something better, okay? So that is it for this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps. I would also love to have you here as part of our community. We're growing. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and of course all my old subscribers who are always here for me. And it's just really warmed my heart, some of the messages that I've been getting. So I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new here and you want to join our family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading my next video. I usually do it a Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, one of those 3 days. Usually Monday. I try to do Sunday or Monday, but that's that's how it goes. And I will see you next week for the conclusion of my closet makeover. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Till I see you next time. Take care.